Oh my goodness, this is such a switch up though. This is a real switch up. Yeah, this is the new go-to. This is the new go-to. Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Chasing Your Sunshine with me, Helena. And this channel is where we talk about pretty much everything because I got a lot planned in the coming days and weeks for videos for you guys. So, first off, this is going to be a makeup video. So, if you don't like makeup, you might want to just go to one of my other videos. So this is from a TikTok because I'm so excited that they came in. Like I just took them out of the boxes. And so, all right, let me calm down. Let me stop talking so fast. So I saw a TikTok with this girl and she had different lip liners and lipsticks that she used for, you know, brown girls, black girls, you know what I mean? So I'm going to show you guys what I usually use, which if you don't know what I usually use, just go look at one of my other videos. I think it was about me talking about graduating in the pageant, and what I usually use is either, I'm a MAC girl, I always use MAC, so my go-to is like MAC lip liner and chestnut, like that's my go-to. And then a couple, I think it was last year, I switched it up and started using Huda Beauty, and these are, I got the, what's the one? I always use Shigo. I think that's how you say it. Shigo. This color with this liner. That's what I usually use. Or I'll mix them all three, and then I'll do a gloss on top of it, which is Fenty. Always my go-to gloss. So now I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna let you guys in on the secret. And the TikToker whose TikTok, I'll also link her TikTok below. It was Monet McMichael. I think I'm saying her name right, but yeah, so thank you, girl. So first step, we got Kat Von D lip liner in, I think it's Crucifix. Yes, this is Crucifix. So let's see how this goes. I always do the top first. Okay, I like that. Oh wow. Yeah, I like this already. Okay, I always do like that. I like, this is a good brown. Okay. And then step 2 is Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ashton. So yes, I like nudes. I'm a nude girl. I don't know.
A few moments later.
I don't know. We'll see. I think maybe add a little bit more brown. I was worried this would be too light. Okay, I like that. Adding a little bit more brown to it. And then add a little bit more dab of the Ashton. So pigmented. And then, all right, I like this so far. And it goes with my eyeshadow too. That wasn't planned. Now we gotta try it, top it off, cause like, you know, like I said, I like gloss. So I got the Essence Shine 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 because like I said, my go-to gloss is always Fenty, so I'm like, like this could either make it or break it, but it's also a clear gloss, so I'm like hoping that like it's good. Let's see. Let's just try it and see, guys. Okay. All right, let's try this and see. Smells good. Oh my goodness, this is such a switch up though. This is a real switch up. This is the new go-to. This is the new go-to. You'll see me like this in another video because this is the go-to. Like imagine. I like this. I like this a lot. Yep, okay. That's cool. All right, so yeah, again, these were the 3. I'll link them down below. Thank you, TikToker Manette Michael. And that's it for chasing. Oh, I just kicked it. That's it for chasing your sunshine with me, Helena. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. So also, like, don't come for my hair. I did just go see a curl specialist, and that's probably gonna be in my next video. So love you guys, and keep chasing your sunshine. Bye.